Hi, I'm Kathy Elliott. I'm an independent Nordic sales consultant, and I want to talk to you about trying to prevent a grease fire on your stovetop. This is one of the major causes to a home fire, so let's eliminate that, or do our best to try anyway, by cleaning the bottom of our pots and pans. And I want to show you how to do that with our cleaning paste and a Spirinet. Okay, here we go. Going to adjust. Appreciate your patience for all of you gurus who know how to do this so quick and easy. Okay, here we go. This is my dirty pot, or pan actually, the bottom of it, and it has a grease buildup on it, and I'm just to a point where I've decided today I have time to clean it, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to wet my Spirinet. This is our cleaning paste. I'm just going to rub this inside, fill it up, really fill it up. Okay, so I've got it full, and I'm just going to take my pan here, and I'm going to start scrubbing on it. It's really important to remember that the Norwex way is to try to cut your cleaning time in half as much as possible, or as close to half as much as it can. So Norwex tries to make that cleaning as easy as possible. So I'm just pressing down. I'm going to be checking it here. And remember too, that when you decide you have a moment to clean something, actually do anything, and it could be cleaning anything. Straighten out your sock drawer, for goodness sakes, right? You just go, oh, who wants to do that? But here's the thing, set the timer for 5 minutes. It's called the 5-minute rule. You decide you see a pot or a pan that needs cleaning, and then one day you go, hey, I have 5 minutes to do that. Set the timer for 5 minutes, and when it goes off, it's done. Whether you're finished or not, you gave it your all for 5 minutes. You can decide if you want to keep going after that 5 minutes or not. It takes off the pressure of feeling like you can't do the job because you don't have time to do it 100%. Like, let's say I'm in the middle of this and an emergency comes up and somebody hollers at me and, hey, we gotta go. Am I gonna be mad because I had to walk away from this? No, I'm gonna go take care of the emergency. I'll come back to this later. All right, I think it's time we rinse this off. There's a lot on here. I have not cleaned the bottom of this pan for a while. Actually, this is one of my spare pans, and when I pulled it out the other day, I was like, oh my gosh, that really needs cleaning. So just before we started, you could not see any part that through the black. And now we have some of the base of the pan starting to show through here. So I'm going to fill up my Spirinet again. Remember, Norwex is creating products for cleaning, either enzyme based or like this with it's a stone flower. Anyway, it's doing this so that you can clean with products that aren't contributing to possibly causing you cancer. As Norwex is trying to help us to radically eliminate all of those dangerous chemicals. So I'm going to go here again. So you're saying to yourself, oh my gosh, how do I get a hold of that stuff? It's amazing. Well, you get a hold of me. And if you're already working with a consultant and she's chosen, or he has chosen to show you my video, please stay with that person. But for those of you who are looking into Norwex and joining the Norwex journey and wanting to know more about it, you can certainly contact me. I'm Kathy Elliott, so it's www.norwex, that's norwex.com/Kathy, Kathy, Elliott, Elliott. It is in the title description of this video. Go to my website, check out the Shop With Me tab, It's amazing. The catalog has lots of information on it online. You can contact me through there. We can connect and do a video chat. You can show me your cleaning challenge and say, how am I cleaning this? And I'll do my best to give you what I think would be the best product to do that. Alright. Well, I'm ready to see how well this is coming. I haven't done really the whole side yet. I mean all the way around. Really scrubbed at it, so I'm really... Oh yeah. I can see more and more of the bottom now. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, that's just not really working very well. She's not getting very far. I really have to tell you, it's been a long time since I've cleaned the bottom of this pan. And it has been sitting for at least probably 2 years since I've used it last. So here it is starting to come nice and clean. This is where it's still a thick buildup. Well, it's not as thick as it was. Starting to see a little bit through there as well. This is what I'm aiming for right here, is to get the rest of the bottom of my pan like that. So I am using a countercloth here to dry this off, so maybe you can see it a little better what is happening here. The sides are starting to come clean. There's some buildup still on this over here. Show you the side that I haven't really scrubbed on. It's still dark, and well, even some of it has rinsed off. I can feel the difference running my finger over it. This is no grease on it, and there's grease. Oh, there's a lot of grease right here. I can feel that. That's what I felt when I pulled it out, and I said, what on earth? So I have more cleaning to do, and I'm going to keep doing that, but I'm not going to keep you here in this video watching me do the same process over and over to eliminate, I don't know how many years, excuse that light, how many years of buildup, or months. It's probably months, but the fact that I left the pan, it's just an extra pan. Like I said, it was just put away, and wasn't until recently when I pulled it out to use it, and I thought, whoa, Nelly, that needs cleaning. So I'm excited that it is really starting to come clean. You can really see the difference. Look at that. Where I've hardly scrubbed, it's starting to already come clean down there too, but yeah, this is what I'm aiming for. So connect with me and let me help you with your cleaning challenges. Have a great day.